What's up, makers? In this video we will see how we can share folders between two PC without using any cable or flash. The only thing you need is internet connection. While sharing the folder, we can give both users a full access to delete, update, or to do other stuff on that specific folder. Before starting the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Go to one of your PC and right-click on the specific folder which you intended to share. Then when you click on Properties, a new window will pop up. Go to Share and press the Share icon. Now you need to add everybody. When you add everybody, the access is read by default, so you have to make read and write if you need to give your user full access to the folder. Press Share button. Now you can send your network path via email, Telegram, paper, or other way, so that the user can access a folder in your PC. The user is able to access your folder if he has the network path and if he is connected to the same network with you. I send the network path via Telegram because I may make a mistake if I tried to type the path. On the second PC, after copying the network path, I will press Window plus R key. Then I will paste the network path and press Enter. Now I can read or write in the shared folder from another PC. I can also copy files with high-speed transfer rate. Thank you for your time and do not forget to subscribe.